You have probably heard people talk about being able to get compensation for pain and suffering in a lawsuit. So you may be wondering, how does an insurance company decide how much money to give for pain and suffering? Well, historically, many insurance companies have used what is called a multiplier for calculating the value of a settlement. For instance, 3 times medical bills could be used. As an example, $10,000 in medical bills equates to a case value of $30,000. And the $20,000 over the medical bills represents $20,000 for pain and suffering. But the multiplier method is not based on reality. It is just a simplistic method used by insurance companies to value case settlements. In some cases, it can dramatically underestimate the true losses experienced by someone that is injured. To fully understand what a person has lost, a lawyer has to put himself in the shoes of the injured person and their family members. He must discover the story of his or her client's life. They must get to know how the injury impacts the person and their family on a daily basis. They must walk in their clients' and their family's shoes, relive their experiences and their feelings in their day-to-day lives. Does the injury keep you from sleeping at night? Does the injury prevent you from going out with your family or friends? Or if you do go out, are you uncomfortable, irritable, unhappy because of the pain or discomfort that you feel? Do you have to constantly take pain medication just to be able to tolerate the pain? Do you have trouble moving around, getting up, walking, or standing? Do you feel guilty because you complain about not feeling well? Do you feel like you've become a burden to your family, or that you might not be able to support your family or yourself? The problems that I've described are just the tip of the iceberg. They can get much more severe if someone has suffered a devastating injury like a brain injury or a burn injury. These types of injuries can cause catastrophic problems, personality changes, inability to walk, to talk, memory problems, inability to function at all. All of these types of damages can fall under the heading of pain and suffering. You can see, therefore, that a simplistic calculation like 3 times medical bills cannot possibly capture the true losses suffered. Only by stepping into the injured person's shoes and the shoes of their family members, by discovering the story of their case, can an attorney be prepared to ask for the proper amount of money for pain and suffering. I'm Chris Dysart of the Dysart Law Firm. I'm proud to be a personal injury lawyer representing clients in both Missouri and Illinois. You can contact me anytime, toll-free at 888-586-7041. Or you can check out my website at www.dysart-law.com. Thanks for joining me.